In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a new account on Monzo, but first please subscribe to the channel, it will really help me out. So to begin, launch the Monzo app on your device. Look for the button that says I'm new to Monzo and give it a tap. Now you'll need to provide your email address and click on the join button. Monzo will send a verification link to your email address. Head over to your email inbox, find the verification link that says login to your Monzo app and then click on it. This will take you back to the Monzo app. Here, click the next button a few times and then hit Let's Get Started. You'll be prompted to choose an account type. For this demonstration, I select a personal account. Next, enter your full name and date of birth. Once that is done, click Next. On the following screen, input your postal or zip code and confirm your home address. Now, enter your phone number and Monzo will send a verification code to your phone. Enter this code in the provided space and click Next. Select Yes Please. Monzo will then ask you a few questions. Tap Get Started and answer this question one by one. Once you have completed that, you will be asked to verify your identity. Tap Get Started and then click I'm ready. Now you'll need to take a photo or either your passport, your driver's license, or any other government issued ID. Tap I'm ready and capture a short video of yourself. When you are finished with that, you will arrive at this screen. And then answer the question about your citizenship. In this example, we'll choose No, just the UK. Hit Confirm Declaration, then click Next, and proceed to tap I agree a few times. You are almost there. The verification of your identity may take some time, but once it's completed, you'll be able to use the Monzo app as you normally would. And there we have it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.